In today's lecture, we will talk about how to create an AMI. So we are going to EC2. First of all, we are creating a web server, and from that web server, we will create an AMI. So AMI is known as Amazon Machine Image, and you can have your own customized AMI. So as you can see, right now I'm running few instances. So I'll click on launch instance. I'm launching a web server. So I'll click on select. I'll choose it with 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. Now on the page where configure instance details, in the advanced section, I will put a small script that is known as Bootstrap Script. So this is that script. I'll take it, Control A, Control C. I'll paste it here. Go to add storage. 8 GB of storage will be added. Add tags. I'm adding a tag like web server 1. Go to configure security group. Because I'm launching a web server, I have to add port number 80 here. Click on review and launch. Click on launch. I'll be choosing my existing key pair. Click on launch instance. So this instance will be launched, and this instance will also be having a web server on top of it. And then we will create its copy. Now let's suppose you have created a server and the same type of maybe 20 servers you would like to create into different regions around the world. So you can create a AMI out of it, and you can copy that AMI into different regions. I'll show you this. So like I have clicked on web server 1. This is my public IP. I will copy this. I will paste it here, and you can see my web server is running, right? So if I would like to create a AMI out of it, I will go to actions. I'll go to an image, click on create image. I'm specifying web server AMI. That means in this AMI we are already having a web server. So where you will be able to see your AMI, you will be able to see your AMI into the AMI section. So once a AMI will be created, along with this a snapshot will also be created. So you can see it has also started creating an AMI. You can see now AMI is ready, it is available. So this time while launching an instance, I can use this AMI. So if I'll click on launch instance, this time I'll go to my AMI section. Oh, it's not available. So sometimes you can face this issue. You will see that in AMI the AMI is available, but actually it's not. You can see it's available. I need to go to instances. Once I'll come back, I'll find it. I'll click on launch instance. I'll go to my AMI section. You can see it is here, right? I'll select it, and now if I will launch instance with this AMI, that will be having a web server on top of it. So let's suppose I'm giving it a name like creating from AMI. Click on configure security group, adding port number 80, review and launch. Click on launch. I'm choosing my existing key pair. Click on launch instance, and you can see this instance must be ready within few seconds, because actually we are not installing an instance or installing a server, we are actually deploying the image. You can see it's running. If I will take its IP, its public IP, if I'll copy and paste it here, you can see it is also running the same server. Now one more important thing about AMI, AMI will never be deleted, it will be deregistered. So I need to go to actions. I'll click on deregister. Now the AMI is right now there in Oregon. If you want to copy it into any other region, you'll go to actions, go to copy AMI, and then you can copy into any of the regions around the world, so that it will be available into that region also. So I'll go to actions, I'll go to deregister AMI, click on continue. Once you will deregister an AMI, you also have to delete the snapshot which is there along with the AMI. So I'll click on delete, and the snapshot will also be deleted. That's it for this video.